India's space startup Agnikul has launched the Agnibaan, a two-stage orbital launch vehicle powered by India's first patent single-piece 3D printer semi-cryogenic engines. The launch vehicle paves the way for more frequent missions for India and makes the country a commercial hub in space sector. Agnikul works out of National Center for Combustion Research and Development at IIT Madras, which is supported by Department of Science and Technology. The startup has developed technologies that can improve the reliability of space engines and speed up their manufacturing, making it easier to organize space missions. The Agnikul rocket factory, inaugurated in 2022, is India's first private launchpad and mission control center. The launch vehicle is India's first launch vehicle to feed propellants through a powerful and compact electric drive with an in-house developed high-speed motor controller that delivers high power at high frequency and mitigates noise generated by switching high voltages. Launch cost is same across the spectrum of payload mass 30 kg to 300 kg. The launch of Agnibaan supported startup helped achieve the world's first flight with a single-piece patent rocket engine, India's first semi-cryogenic engine flight, first flight with Ethernet-based avionics architecture, and